Resending direct messages, a step-by-step guide.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that most of us face from time to time. We're going to answer the question, can I resend a direct message if it fails to send the first time? Let's dive into the details.
What happens when a direct message fails?
Direct messages might fail to send for a variety of reasons. It could be due to a poor internet connection, server issues on the platform you're using, or even some technical glitches. When this happens, don't worry, there are always solutions.
Can you resend the message?
Absolutely, yes. You can resend a direct message that failed to send the first time. Most platforms will either allow you to attempt to resend the message by clicking on it or by manually copying the message and trying to send it again. You don't need to give up on your communication just because of a technical glitch.
How do you resend the message?
Let's break this down into a simple, easy-to-follow process. 1. Check the message status. Most messaging platforms will notify you if a message failed to send. Look for an error symbol or a notification. 2. Resend option. Depending on the platform, you may see a retry or resend option. If you see this, simply click it to attempt to resend the message. 3. Manual resend. If there's no resend option, you can always manually resend the message. Just copy the text of the message, paste it into the message box, and hit send again. 4. Troubleshoot. If your message still isn't sending, try troubleshooting. Check your internet connection and the platform's server status. Sometimes restarting the app or your device can help, too. So, there you have it. Yes, you can resend a direct message if it fails to send the first time, and now you know exactly how to do it. Remember, communication is key, and there's always a way to get your message across. We hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, happy messaging!